Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds AirPods 3 Pro on your Android device. So, usually for the earbuds we can check the battery level in the control panel, but right now we have no battery level. The same situation if you go to the settings, connected devices or the Bluetooth. Right here we have a battery level, and the same if we click at the information icon or settings icon. On some devices you can also check this menu, but this time we have nothing. So, to check battery level on your Android, you need to download third-party app from the Play Store. You need to open Play Store, go to the search. In the search I will write AirPods. And now we have some application. So select the best one for you. I'm going with Pods Battery. We need to install this application. Then we should set up this application. So let's do this. Open, agree, take a look, allow, allow, allow. I'm going to allow. You can do not allow it and finish. Okay, let's open this application again, and we need to check if we have connection with these earbuds. Yes, we have. So right here I just open it, and we have battery level for the earbuds and for the charging case. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!